mean, no complaint. I love money coming in. And today, this morning, I actually transferred $1,200. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Hopefully I don't spend anymore, but if I do spend, I probably only can get a donut because a donut is like $2. If you want to do any expenses, if you're using this budget sheet, you can just use the drop-down menu. It's actually really cool. There are lots of options.
Hi, I'm Yaji. I'm from a small town in China, and I always dreamed of a better life, so I left everything behind. After 10 years of dedication and hard work, I began to build a life that I love. Welcome to my world. I'm grateful for how far I've come, and I can't wait to share my journey with you.
What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's payday today, so who doesn't like payday, right? I was just looking at my account this morning. Everything looks pretty well. And in this video, I want to walk you through step by step on what I do on my payday and what I do for mid-month check. I actually have a payday routine linked right here that I filmed, I believe was like in February. That one is more like generic. There's no like specific numbers, but today I'm going to share my budget sheet again and I'll just walk you through what I do. First, let's take a look at my income. It's July 17th, so I have a 3 paycheck this month. On July 3rd, I actually had one, $1,971.38. I don't know how those deductions work. This paycheck was way more than my normal paycheck because today I get paid, it was $19.17.16. This is my normal paycheck. But somehow last paycheck it was $50 more, $60 more. I mean, no complaint. I love money coming in. And for side hustle, I haven't received anything yet because I just started this month on July 1st. But I'm positive I will receive one by the end of the month. We'll just have to stay tuned. Investment income, I've already punched in from my previous paycheck routines. It's over $2,000. It's the same thing. It's spread out between TFSA and the RSP. And for emergency fund, I am very positive that I can hit this 2K goal because last paycheck I didn't transfer anything towards the emergency fund because we have a joint account and we both have to contribute $2,500 a month towards the joint account. So last payday, I contributed $1,000. So I didn't really move money around because I didn't really do anything. It was July 3rd. Like, what can you do 2 days into the month, right? And today, this morning, I actually transferred $1,200. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? $1,200 towards my emergency account, and I'm just so proud of myself. So I only have $800 to contribute for the rest of the month, and I'm pretty sure that I can hit that goal. Consider I have $740 coming in from my side hustle, and after I contribute $1,500 towards the joint account for my next paycheck, I have extra $400. I think I am pretty happy with my budget right now. In terms of debt, I'm not paying any debt right now, so we can just fast forward. For the expenses, groceries, I believe we spent, for the last 2 weeks, we spent $162.45. It's actually pretty good. It's 2 weeks into July and we are halfway through our budget, so it's actually really good. Transportation, I haven't filled out my card yet. Or did I? One sec. Or am I tripping? Yeah, I'm totally tripping here. I filled out my card for $50 the other day, and I don't think I'm gonna fill out my card again until August. Fuel, we haven't, oh yeah, this is the category we haven't really spent any money yet. It's the fuel. We haven't drove anywhere in July. Weather has been so good here, so we've been walking pretty much everywhere we go. We haven't had a date night yet, and I'm going to bring that up because we are due for a date night and to spend some money. For the gift, yeah, so I supposed to get a gift for my cousin in August. I haven't found anything yet. So I still have 2 weeks to get that done. So I'm pretty sure I can find something for my cousin. Originally, I wanted to find a activity, but I feel like I should have planned earlier for the activity wise. So like there was 2 activities I was looking, it was already like all fully booked. I'm probably just gonna end up getting her some like physical gift. We'll see. For night out, we actually went out with my girlfriend and her boyfriend. We had a drink and appetizer. I spent $21.58. So we have around $8 left for a night out. Probably 1 drink. And entertainment, we went for Canada Day and we spent $12 for lunch. So we still have $14 left. For personal, let me check my credit card. I have to say, I don't use my personal credit card very often. And the total for the last 2 weeks is $6.53. And this is because I wasn't gonna spend anything from my personal, because personal categories, if I'm like hungry or I want snacks or anything, I would just use personal. And my goal from monthly reset video was saying that I shouldn't use anything in personal, but I ended up spending because the other day somehow I was just like so hungry. I was like, I needed more food. So I went to Tim Hortons to get a small chicken noodle soup, and I upgraded from the bun to a bagel. So they charged me a little more for that. So that turns out $6.53. Everything looks very good right now, to be honest. The groceries, it's on track for $300. The night out, we have $8 to spend. We probably can go for a gelato or like just a little dessert or something. We still have $14 to spend for entertainment. We have not spent anything yet for our date night. We probably can swap that category to like a night out entertainment. We'll see. For personal, I still have $3.47. Hopefully I don't spend anymore, but if I do spend, I probably only can get a donut, because a donut is like $2 plus tax. So yeah, we'll see. I just have to better manage that. For rent, we paid our rent on July 2nd. So we did that. Internet, I am actually going to pay it right now. For internet, they do say your due date is on the like 25th or something every month, but every time I get a paycheck, especially during like mid-month, I just pay it like right away. So $25.43 for car insurance and home insurance and hydro. Actually, my partner is paying for them from our joint account. So I normally just check in with him at the end of the month when I finalize the budget sheet. So I don't really know if he paid that yet. And for the cell phone, it's automatically coming out from my credit card. I believe it's coming out on the 23rd every month or 22nd, something like that. So I'm just gonna punch that in. For Netflix, it's the 21st every month. So it's very soon, in the next couple of days. Spotify is actually already came out from my credit card. So yeah, other than hydro, car insurance, home insurance, we're all good for the bills. I don't foresee anything happening in the next 2 weeks, but let me just show you really quick. If anything happened, we do have a drop down right here. So there was like home, movie, night out. So if any category I'm like, that is unexpected expenses, I'll just choose from one of them. Or you can also just delete it and type in whatever the category it is, like I did from June. Yeah, June one, I typed in that. So yeah, I really like the budget sheet. Sorry to kind of interrupt you guys, but honestly, like these budget and payday routines like kind of done. And this is just the total expense. And looks pretty good right now and not really overspending in any category. So in the end, I just want to walk you through a little bit for the budget sheet because we are trying to finalize it. We're trying to finalize it so we can link below my description so you guys can use it. And I personally loved it. I don't know what my partner did because I give him a draft of the budget sheet. He just somehow did some magic trick, added the emojis. I was like, damn, that's so lively. I just feel like emoji are like just lively and cute, especially it's a kind of girly thing, right? So I loved it. If you want to do any expenses, if you're using this budget sheet, you can just use the drop down menu. It's actually really cool. There are lots of options. But you know what? Like I am going to film a complete video of like how to use my budget sheet when we're ready to release it. So don't worry about it. If you guys want to download it and use it, we're going to have it out hopefully next month. If not next month, it will be September. We're just in the process of finalizing it. That's all. Same thing with the income. You can do the paycheck. We have investment income. If you are investing, you have dividend income, commission, bonus, gift, birthday. Birthday was a must because like sometimes people do receive cash from their birthday. So I'm like, birthday has to be there. I don't think I received any money from my birthday. Did I? I didn't receive any cash this year, but sometimes I do though. And for the savings, there is TFSA, RSP, RESP checkings, blah, blah, blah. A lot of options for you to choose. Same thing with debt. We have like car loans, credit card, and all that. There are a lot of things that we do. It's coming out from joint account, but that's because we transfer $2,500 into the joint account. So in the expense category, other than personal, maybe sometimes night out entertainment, if I'm going out without my partner, that would fall into my personal account. But personal will always be my personal account. And all the bills are coming out from joint account. And you can see, right? Like the budget bills are $1,653.62, but we transfer $2,500. So we actually have around $1,000, not $1,000, but around $900 to play with, to use on a daily basis and all those kind of things. But we're actually really good with our money. Thumbs up. Here you go. That's my payday routine. And you shouldn't take you guys more than 10 minutes to do your payday routine. It's such a simple thing to do. And I honestly very enjoying it. It's like just 10 minutes of my day. I punch in some number. I'll understand where my finance are. It's just a really good feeling at the end of the day. And for the payday routine, it shouldn't be too complicated. You basically understand where is your income coming from, how much are they, and if you have money goes towards savings, which you always should put money aside towards the savings. And then you punch in a couple of numbers for your expenses. You shouldn't be overspending, by the way, so this is the perfect timing to double check if you're on the right track of your budget. And then you just punch in numbers for your bills, like to see if there was any bills that you need to pay or if there's any due date that is coming up. I mean, you should not miss any due date, especially credit card, because credit card, you miss a due date, you miss a payment, that interest, just gonna be added in right away, start from next month. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please make sure to click that like button, click that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Happy payday!